Do you know how to sew, and there's no creation that can resist you? The Next 840 Plus is easy to use and intuitive because it includes descriptive icons. It has 34 highly functional stitches, 4-step automatic buttonhole, straight stitch, overcasting, elastic overcasting, invisible stitch, light decorative stitches, scallop stitches, triple straight stitch, triple zigzag, honeycomb stitch, patchwork stitch, overlock stitch, cross stitch, herringbone stitch, and elastic stitch. The Next 840 Plus can handle all types of fabrics, as it has dual presser foot height and 6 rows of feed dogs for better fabric glide. It's a comfortable and durable machine, with a metal shank, shuttle, and bobbin case. Automatic bobbin winder. Thread tension regulator. An adjustable stitch width and length. It also includes reverse stitching for reinforcement stitches. A free arm for tubular garments. LED light. And an accessory set. Make the most out of your Next 840 Plus.